Hello guys, and welcome once more to NETH. We are going to do some basic operation on what binary, what numbers. Alright, so if you are new to the channel, you're highly and highly welcome. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right into the problem. Alright, so the question says evaluate 11101 base 2 times 11 base 2 plus what? 101 base 2. Now, whenever you come across a problem in maths, you want to always work on the bracket. Okay, so let's start by solving the bracket. So our solution, I have 11101 base 2, and we have 1, 1. I'm going to arrange it like this, base 2. So we are doing what? Multiplication. Alright, so it's very, very simple. We are going to do it like the usual method of multiplication. So we have 1 times 1 is what? 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 again is 1. This is 1. And this is 1. So I haven't gotten that. We are going to put our base 2. Now, we are going to start with the next number to multiply. So 1 times 1 is 1, which we are going to put directly under this. But before we do that, we are going to cover this with what? 0. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0, we have 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 again is 1. And 1 times 1 again is 1. So we have this. So now we are going to add 2. So let's add it up and see what that gives us. 1 plus 0, okay, in base 2 is going to give us 1. Alright, so 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Now 1 plus 1, okay. Now 1 plus 1 in base 2, okay, is going to give us 1, 0 base 2. Alright, normally 1 plus 1 is 2. If you convert it to base 2, it's going to give you 1, remainder what? 0. 2 again, you have 0, remainder 1. So if you take it up, is 1, 0 base 2. Alright, so 1 plus 1 is going to give us 1, 0. So I'm going to put the 0. Then we'll bring down 1. Alright, so we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, usually 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. I'm not going to write 3, so we are going to convert it to base 2. So 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. 2 go again, we have is 0, remainder 1. So we have it as what? 11 base 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. I'm going to put down 1 and carry 1 and put here. So 1 plus 1 is still this again. So have it as this. Now that we have gotten this, but we are not done with the equation, we have just simply done the multiplication. Now we are going to do the addition. Okay, so let's do the addition quickly. Now let's bring out our answer. So we have 1, 0. So I have 1, 0, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. So we have 1, 1, 1, which 2. Okay. So we have been able to solve the brackets. Now we are going to add 1, 0, 1 base 2. So I'm going to start with this 1 here, and 0 here, and 1 here. Remember, you want to arrange it, according to, units and penny place. All right. So we have our addition. So we are going to put the addition sign here. So 1 plus 1 as usual is 2, but remember 2 means what? It means 10, or 1, 0 base 2. So I'm going to put 0, we're carrying 1 here. So 1 plus 1 again is 2, which is still, plus 0 is still 10. So carry 1. Remember, this is what? 3, which is what? 11. So all I'm going to do, instead of 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3, I'm going to use what? 11. So I put down 1, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So we'll bring down 1, we'll bring down 0, and we'll bring down 1. So this gives us our solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button and don't forget to share this video to somebody try to make yourself. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.